Well, today our final lesson covers chapters 15 and 16. Chapter 15 is titled Compliance Auditing of Federal Assistance Programs, and it begins on page 78. Many state and local government agencies, school districts for instance, and some nonprofit corporations receive federal financial assistance. They have a duty to operate in compliance with all federal rules that come with this money. The objective of compliance auditing procedures are to determine whether there have been violations of laws or regulations that may have a material effect on the organization's financial statements, similar to regular auditing. We will study three types of compliance audits that apply. The first, audits of financial statements of entities receiving federal financial assistance in accordance with generally accepted accounting standards. Number two, audits conducted in accordance with government accounting standards. And number three, audits conducted in accordance with the Federal Single Audit Act of 1984. That might be 1964. We'll look at that in the text. Agencies that are not required to undergo audit subject government accounting standards are usually audited according to generally accepted accounting standards. This is similar to a standard corporate audit. The purpose is to identify misstatements resulting from laws that have a direct and material effect on the financial statements. The procedures are similar to that of a regular audit. We list four here. First, discussions with management. Second, review grant and loan documents. Number three, review the minutes of the government regulatory body. And number four, obtain written declarations of responsibility from management, covering not only the financial statements, but also internal controls and compliances with all federal laws. These obtained in writing. The resulting report then can be unqualified, qualified, or adverse, as it is in the case of any audit opinion. A report on internal controls will be done only if significant deficiencies are encountered, and they have to be significant. Next are audits according to the Generally Accepted Government Auditing Standards, or GAGAS, found in the so-called Yellow Book, which is published by the Comptroller General of the United States. The Comptroller General, by the way, is the highest accounting office within the federal government, and it's a politically appointed position. I have no idea who Donald Trump has put in charge of that. It would be interesting to look that up. Procedures are like a general audit under GAGAS, and they include tests of compliance with federal regulations regarding federal financial assistance. So this would be the significant difference. Three reports are required under this system. First, financial statement reports. Second, internal controls. And third, compliance. If material misstatements of non-compliance are found, these should result in either a qualified or an adverse report. A summary of the rules is found in a table at the bottom of page 81. A sample auditor's report is presented on page 82, and page 83 includes some additional rules and warnings, including legislation from 1964, and finishes with a table showing the comparison of the three types of audit discussed above. Chapter 16 is even longer, but my summary is going to be relatively brief. It is auditing under computer systems and begins on page 84. Several topics are discussed in the following pages, and we will take a closer look at them in class. These four topics are A, the effect of computers on internal controls. B, assessing control risk in a computer system. C, computer-assisted audit techniques, CAAT. and D, the various types of computer-assisted audit techniques, different commercially available programs actually. Page 89 shows a table that summarizes the advantages and disadvantages of these systems. The discussion questions are based on the text material and should be fairly straightforward to answer, although the last question may require a little research, but they're dealing with computer-assisted auditing, relevant examples of audit software, also the work of experts to the extent to which auditors can rely on expert assistance. That is a question to discuss. And finally, discussion of flowcharts. So we'll take a careful look at those and during class, and congratulations upon completion of the final exam. You have finished off auditing 1, 2, and 3, the entire course material that we offer here at International American University. Best of luck on your CPA exams, and if you have already completed those, best of luck on finding suitable employment. I would be really disappointed if someone did not hire you and attempt to keep you at all costs, because I think you are exceptional students and will make exceptional auditors, accountants, and other sorts of business leaders. Thank you very much.